Most of us see Earth as this beautiful, amazing place. Beautiful views, trees, animals, and cities. Yet, humans are managing to ruin this. Now picture what I just said all gone. My name is Hunter Hershey, and I really care about the environment. In this speech, I will have three main points. First is deforestation. Second is littering. And the last one is global warming. My first main point is about deforestation, which is basically the removal of trees and forests for non-forest use, such as urban use and also agriculture. We need trees to help the atmosphere. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and also carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is what is produced from exhaust fumes in cars. Trees release oxygen. One tree equals a day's worth of oxygen for 4 people. Cutting down trees is like someone destroying your homes. Cutting down trees destroys animals, houses, and homes where they live. 80% of all animals and plants live in forest. Animals are forced to relocate, making them endangered and possibly dying. National Geographic states if we continue the rate of deforestation, in 100 years the rainforest will be gone. That was only the first main point. My second main point is littering. Most trash takes a long time or does not disintegrate. November 18, 2013, John Luther wrote an article titled Littering. In this article, he stated how cigarette butts can take up to 10 years to disintegrate. He also stated that around 50% of all littered items is cigarette butts. Also, styrofoam and plastic bags can take up to 500 years or they do not disintegrate. So this plastic cup or styrofoam cup and this plastic bag could possibly be around for the entire universe, for the rest of all mankind. Trash is also affecting the environment. Around 1.9 billion tons of trash are thrown into the ocean every year. This means marine and fish are endangered because of this. And also, animals put themselves into harm when trash is thrown out. Animals can get stuck into trash for this pop ring, for example. EPA states that the average human throws away 4 pounds of trash every day. And when you think about it, trash is going to be produced every day, and people will continue to throw away trash, and it's a never-ending cycle. My last main point is global warming. Global warming is basically an increase in overall temperature due to human activities such as using cars and also factories. Rising sea levels is basically when the ice caps are melting due to human use, as in global warming. Eastern and western United States, but mostly the southeast United States, is most vulnerable to rising sea level. The Miami-Dade County in Florida, which is where the city of Miami is located, is at the most risk for a rising sea level, and around 2.6 million people live in that county. March 14, 2016, Marina Lavelle stated that the United States National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration predicts sea level to rise up to 6 feet by the year 2100. This would put over 13 million people to have to relocate to somewhere else in the United States. Another example is the small islands in the Pacific. They are under sea level because of global warming. For example, at least 5 reef islands located in the Solomon Islands are gone underwater. These islands supported rich vegetation for over 300 years. Also, animals are affected by global warming. Polar bears live on the Arctic sea ice. The Arctic sea ice is disappearing due to global warming, and polar bears need ice in order to hunt. And when polar bears do not have ice to hunt on, they go and starve for the summers. The National Wildlife Federation stated polar bears' weight is decreasing by an average of 15%. Also, 2/3 of all polar bears will disappear by the year 2050. That is my last main point. In this speech, I talked about 3 main points: deforestation, littering, and also global warming. If we humans continue what we are doing, we will regret it. It will affect us, our children, and our kids' children. If we humans make an effort, we can help protect this earth that we live on.